5th Standard Video 9. Welcome to our English class. Hope all of you learned the conversation thoroughly. Tuesday I will take the dictation. So all of you be ready for that. And one more thing I want to know whether you are practicing cursive letters or not. If you are not practicing, start today itself. Practice cursive letters. That is must. So now the next work. All of you take out page number 13. Let's review the story. Why did the man throw the mirror away on seeing a face in it? If you want to get the answer, read the story. What happened in the story? The islanders were unknown about the electronic gadgets, anything like that. So one day the fisherman got a piece of mirror, and actually what was that he don't know. So he looked at the mirror. That time he saw his own reflection. So he afraid. He thought something like ghost or something he thought. So he threw it away. That is the question they are asking here. Why did the man throw the mirror away on seeing a face in it? When he picked up the mirror piece, he looked into it, he saw his own reflection, and he thought that it was a ghost or something like that. So he threw that thing away. Second question, you can see 6 pictures along with the story. Pick out sentences from the story that match with each of the pictures. So, see, 6 pictures are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, you do one thing. Pick out sentences from the story that match with each of the pictures. For that, you read this story, and under the picture write down the sentence. Here a boat is sailing through the sea. Then what you will write here? You can write the only way the islanders came to know about the world outside was through the ship that passed the island. That sentence you can write under this picture. Okay, next picture. See, look at the picture. He is looking at the mirror and he thought that it was his father. He had never seen, don't write that sentence. He thought it was his father's face. You can write this sentence or you can write this one. He picked it up and saw the face in it again. That one also you can write there. He looked at the picture thing and he saw a face on it. You can write that sentence or you can write this one also. That's up to you. Okay. Next, this one. He turned the mirror, see it was his father. If his father was behind it. He turned the mirror to see if his father was behind it. You can write that sentence under that picture. And this one. The fisherman turned the mirror towards his face. Towards his face. You can write that sentence. And this one. She grabbed the mirror from him and looked into it again. She's grabbing the mirror. So here you can write that sentence. She grabbed the mirror from him and looked into it. This one. They are fighting with each other. The fishermen, they started battling for the mirror. Under this picture, you can write like this. They started battling for the mirror. So, 6 picture you can write. Under each picture, you can write sentences under each picture. To get the sentence, you read the story thoroughly. Okay, do that one. And next question, third one, look at this. We use many modern devices in our day-to-day life. We use many modern devices in our day-to-day life, like laptops, mobile phones, iPods, etc. Do you think that these devices are essential? Do you think like that? Yes. Someone say yes, someone say no. But you think nowadays if mobile phones are not there, we can watch any classes, isn't it? So, can we live without these? Conduct a debate on, are we depend on modern devices too much? So, we can't conduct debate now. So, you just write your own words here. Your opinion. If electronic gadgets are not here, what we will do? If electronic gadgets are necessary in our day-to-day life. Based on this topic, write your opinion. Write 1 page. Okay, so these 3 questions you do and send it to me as soon as possible. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can call me. See you. Bye-bye.